Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Airtable and Supabase. In order to do so, here we are at airtable.com and we're also at supabase.com. According to Cider AI, Airtable and Supabase are both powerful tools, but they cater to different needs and types of users. Here's a detailed comparison of the two. Airtable is a cloud-based collaboration platform that combines the features of a spreadsheet and a database. It's ideal for users looking to organize work, track projects, and collaborate in a user-friendly interface. It targets teams and businesses that want to manage data, projects, and workflows without a complex setup. Supabase, on the other hand, is an open source backend as a service platform that provides developers with a complete backend solution to build applications. It targets developers who want to create applications quickly with features like authentication, real-time databases, and APIs without needing to manage server infrastructure. Core features for Airtable: it includes a visual appealing spreadsheet-like interface that is easy to use and understand. It supports multiple field types for organizing information. It allows real-time collaboration and commenting and sharing options for teams. It offers various views to visualize and organize data based on user preferences. Supabase, on the other hand, is built on PostgreSQL SQL, provides real-time capabilities for data updates and synchronization. It automatically generates RESTful and GraphQL APIs based on database schemas, simplifying data access for developers. It includes built-in user authentication and authorization features. It offers file storage capabilities for managing assets such as images and documents. For the user experience, Airtable is known for its simplicity and accessibility. It's designed for users without technical backgrounds. The spreadsheet-like interface makes it easy for teams to set up and manage data effectively. Supabase, on the other hand, is aimed at developers, and its setup may require more technical knowledge, especially when integrating APIs and managing databases. However, it provides a rich set of features for creating applications efficiently. Integration and scalability: Airtable integrates with various applications and services such as Zapier and Slack to enhance productivity and automate workflows. While Airtable can handle a good amount of data and users, there may be limitations based on the pricing plan for larger teams and data volumes. Supabase is an open source platform. It provides scalability for applications as they grow. It supports extensive integrations with other tools and allows developers to customize their setup according to their application's needs. Airtable offers a vibrant community with documentation, tutorials, and customer support options. Its user base includes a diverse range of teams and industries. Supabase, on the other hand, is backed by an open source community. It provides extensive documentation, GitHub repositories for contributions, and more. Community-driven support can be particularly useful for developers seeking advanced solutions. Choose Airtable if you need a user-friendly collaborative platform to organize projects and data without the complexity of coding. It's great for teams looking for a flexible solution for project management and data tracking. Choose Supabase if you are a developer building applications and need a complete backend solution with a real-time database, authentication, and API capabilities. Supabase is ideal for creating modern web and mobile applications quickly. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you are interested in Cider AI, take a look at the link tree in the description. Click on that and you will get information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as a discount code Skillcraft60 for Sintra to get 60% off your subscription. You can also get started with Cider AI and EnzoBot. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.